Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So I went to the Habitat for Humanity store today. It used to be kind of a junky place, and I figured there might be some old tools. But boy, man, they cleaned it all up, and it's got new products and things like that in it. But they did have one box of old stuff, and I asked if I could dig through it, and I found this screwdriver. It's an old wooden handle screwdriver. So I asked them what they wanted for it. They said 50 cents. Come on, 50 cents. Okay, done. So anyway, let's this looks like it'll be fun. Let's get after it. Well, that's it. This one's done. I started to stain the handle, as you saw, and that just didn't look good. So I just decided to give it several coats of black enamel paint and put a good shine on it. Thanks to Joe's shop for recommending that fiber wheel. That fiber wheel is fantastic. It really is. It's a game changer. So anyway, that's it. See you next time.